Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll solve two linear equation using elimination method. So now in elimination method we know that first step will be here. You have to eliminate any one of the variable, either x or y, according to our given equation. So you first eliminate any one of the variable from both the equations. So now first, when you eliminate x from both the equation, what you will do first? First you write first the coefficient of x from both the equation. So I will write here x equals to 1 from equation 1 and x equals to 2 from equation 2. We write here. Then this 1 from equation 1 is multiplied both side of equation 2, and the coefficient of 2 of x is multiplied both side of equation 1. So now after that you have to eliminate x from both the equations. That's clear. Now in case of y, the similar step you will follow. First you have to write the coefficient of y from both the equation. So here 1 from equation 1 and 3 from equation 2, and then after that this 1 is multiplied both side of equation 2, and this 3 from equation 2 is multiplied both side of equation 1. So now after that you will eliminate y. You can easily eliminate this variable from both the equation. So now that's clear. So now we go to our problem here. So in this problem, first we have to eliminate x from both the equation. So that's why we multiply 2 from the coefficient of x from equation 2 is multiplied both side of equation 1. So now we write here 2 is multiplied both side of equation 1, and the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 1. This 1 is multiplied both side of equation 2. So now here in equation 1 2 is multiplied both sides, so which is 2 into 1 into x plus 2 into 1 into y equals to 2 into 5. So simplify the expression here. We get 2 into 2x plus 2 into y 2y is equals to 2 into 5, which is 10. This equation name is equation 3. Now our second equation is 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So in this equation we multiplied both side of equation 2 is 1. So 1 into 2x minus 1 into 3y equals to 1 into 4. So now simplify this expression. 2x minus 3y equals to 4. This equation name is equation 4. So now after that you apply step 2. So in our step 2 is the operation, either you apply the addition operation or subtraction operation depending on the present, which sign is present in both the equation. So now we see that in both the equation the coefficient of x is same both the equation, and both the equation the x is positive. So when we eliminate x from both the equation we apply subtract method. So now apply this subtract equation 3 from equation 4. So now we get here 2x plus 2y equals to 10, and second equation is 2x minus 3y equals to 4. So now subtract this two equation here, and now here minus plus minus. So plus 2x minus 2x cancel. So now here plus 2y plus 3y, which is plus 5y, is equals to here plus 10 minus 4, which is 6 plus 6. Therefore the value of y is 6 by 4. So now we get one variable value, which is y, and now in step 3 will be here we calculate another variable value, which is x. Now simply you substitute the value of y any one of the given equation, then you calculate the value of y. So now First we substitute the value of y, which is 6/5, in equation 1. So now our equation 1 is x plus y equals to 5, or x plus y, which is 6/5, equals to 5, or 5 into x, 5x plus 6 is equals to 5 into 5, which is 25. So now, or 5x equals to 25 minus 6, which is 19, or therefore x equals to 19/5. So we get another variable value, which is x. So now we get two variable value, one is x and another is y. So now our final solution is, therefore the solution of two linear equation is x equals to 19/5 and y equals to 6/5. So this is our final answer. So now if you want to check your answer is correct or not, so now I am simply check here. We substitute these two variable value any one of the given equation. Now let's start here. I will take equation 1, which is x plus y equals to 5. So now this is the LHS part and this is the RHS part. So now if you tally this value, when you substitute the value x and y in LHS part, and if the LHS part also equals to the RHS part, then your answer is correct. Now let's start here. So now in LHS part, to substitute to value here. So here x 19/5 plus y 6/5. So now we see that both the term here 1/5 is common. So now first we take common 1/5 from both the term, and first term will be here 19 and second term is 6. So now here 19 plus 6, which is 25. So now 25 divided by 5 is equals to 5. So this is also equals to RHS. So we see that the LHS part also is equals to the RHS part. So now our answer is correct. So now if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.